Hi, I'm Paula Teague and I'm a lawyer and a notary.
What is a notary?
Công chứng viên là cái gì?
What is a notary?
A notary public in Australia is an experienced lawyer who is authorised to authenticate documents for overseas use. A notary will witness signatures on documents and authenticate identity, as well as certifying true copies of original documents. A notary public will affix an official seal, usually red, or an ink stamp next to their signature and may bind the documents with ribbon.
A notary's signature can be endorsed by the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, DFAT.
This Australian government endorsement can be submitted to other foreign embassies for further legalisation, or sent directly overseas. Fee schedules for notarial services can be found on Notary Society websites within each state.
Oh, so that's a notary.
So that's a notary.
What is a notary?
Good. So that was good. That's it. Do that. That's it. Look up. Look down.
Okay, that's it.